When I have the character stream as a super class, under that I have two subclasses. Please make a note on that. That's going to be the reader class as well as the writer class. Whenever I'm using the byte stream, it's unidirectional. If I use the reset method, it'll go back to the beginning of the stream. Output stream classes are derived from the base class. That's going to be the output stream. Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to the first session on managing input and output files. So guys, please remember this is going to be the last chapter in your syllabus. So what exactly that I have in this session? Yes, let me show you that. I will be discussing the concept of stream classes today. What exactly stream class is all about and what are the different types of stream classes. So that's what I will be discussing with all of you in this session. My dear students, let's start what exactly stream class is all about. You all know that we have the package in Java. That's going to be the java.io package. So this package has got umpteen number of stream classes. So especially when I start classifying this stream classes in Java, majorly I will be getting two important classes. That's going to be the byte stream as well as the character stream. So in today's class, we will be understanding more about the byte stream as well as the character stream. So what exactly this byte stream is all about? What exactly this character stream is all about? So before we understand this byte stream as well as the character stream, let's understand what is stream. My dear students, imagine I have a river which is flowing. Okay, so that is what I will call it as a stream. And I have a pipe, in that water is flowing. So that is what I will call it as a stream. One by one, it is going. So that is what I will call it as a stream. So that's what you need to remember. So now let's understand what is the Java stream classes that I have. So guys, this is a beautiful classification that we have in front of us. So we have two different stream classes. What is the first stream class that I have? So I have the first stream class as byte stream class. When it comes to the byte stream class, so I will treat this as a super class, and under this I have two subclasses. That's going to be the input stream class as well as output stream class. To this input stream class, from where exactly the data is coming. So guys, please treat memory, file and pipe as the source for this input. Then after processing this input, obviously I have to give the output, right? So to where I should give, so you can give to the same source is what you need to remember. So this is what we have with respect to the byte stream. We will discuss about this part in detail in this session in the coming slides. But I do have one more stream class, that's going to be the character stream, as I told you in the previous slide. What exactly that I have? When I have the character stream as a super class, under that I have two subclasses. Please make a note on that. That's going to be the reader class as well as the writer class. When I have the reader class and the writer class, so please treat this as a source from where I get the data, and also I will be dumping the data after processing it is what you need to remember here. So fine. Let's understand what exactly the byte stream class is doing for all of us. What is that I have in the byte stream? So guys, when it comes to the byte stream class, please understand this class is specifically designed to solve all the problems and to provide the facility to read and write or to manipulate anything with respect to the bytes is what you need to remember with respect to the first point. In the same way, you should also not forget, whenever I'm using the byte stream, it's unidirectional. Unidirectional in the sense what, sir? Unidirectional in the sense I will be able to transmit the data in one direction is what you need to remember. So fine, I have called the byte stream as a super class in the previous slide. So let's understand what is the subclass that I have with respect to the byte stream. You all know that I have input stream as well as the output stream. So let's talk about input stream. So guys, when it comes to the input stream, you all know that I will be able to read 8 bits. That's what you need to remember. When I'm reading the input, Okay, so please understand. So I will have the byte stream. I will have the byte stream in the superclass is what you need to remember, and the subclass is what I will treat it as a input stream. So please remember that with respect to this diagram. So this is the superclass and this is the subclass in this scenario. But so please understand when I'm discussing the input stream. So please observe this point. So why did I say that? So please listen to me carefully now. So input stream classes are used to read 8 bits. Bytes include the superclass known as input streams. So what is the meaning of it, sir? I will be able to read 8 bits is what you need to remember with respect to the input stream class. And please understand the hierarchy of input stream here, what I have. So guys, what exactly that I have with respect to the input stream? So I have file input stream, I have pipe input stream, I have byte array input stream, I have filter input stream. When it comes to the filter, please understand I have buffered input stream, data input stream, I have pushback input stream, string buffer input stream, and also I have object input stream. Lastly, sequence input stream. All these things belongs to the class called input stream. So here in this scenario, treat input stream as a base class and all these things as a subclass. So what exactly this input stream is doing for me? We have so many subclasses. What exactly this input stream is doing for me? How exactly it is working? So let's understand that in detail now. When it comes to the input stream classes has got different methods which will help me to read the bytes, and also it will help me to closing the stream. If I want to close the stream, so I will be using the input stream. So and also I will be able to make the position in the streams. I can reset the positions. That's what you need to remember. If I want to skip in the stream, I will be able to do that with the help of the method skip. So I have finding the number of bytes in the stream. So I have a special method which will help me to find the number of bytes in the stream. So for all this functionality, we have the methods which is stored in the input stream is what we need to remember. How do I perform all these things? With the help of the methods that I have here. Please observe, I have a method called read. What exactly read method is doing? As I told you in the beginning, so reads a byte from the input stream. So that's what you need to remember. In the same way, guys, I can specify read as a parameter. What is that I'm passing? Byte array. That's what you need to remember. In the same way, here I'm able to read an array of bytes into B. So that's what the function that I have here. In the same way, read with 3 parameters. So in this function, in this method, please observe I have 3 parameters. The first one that I have is byte array. The array name is B is what they have given, and I have 2 integer parameters. What exactly that 2 integer parameters? Listen to me carefully. So guys, it reads m bytes. Observe here, it reads m bytes into the B starting from nth byte. That's what you need to remember. I repeat that for all of you. Please observe, it reads m bytes into B. B in the sense array. So m bytes, it reads m number of bytes into the array B, starting from, you are specifying from where you have to read. So that's what you need to remember from nth byte. That's what you need to observe here. M bytes. Here, this parameters says how many bytes. So guys, please observe, I have n. So why do I have n? Please observe from nth byte. This is specifying the place or the spot from where exactly the bytes should read. And whatever I'm reading, I should store it to this array is what they are trying to say in this function is what you need to remember. So guys, and then you have next method as available. Why do we use available? Please listen carefully. Gives me the number of bytes available in the input. So this method will help me to get the number of bytes available in the input stream is what you need to remember. Moving forward, I have skip. So guys, skips over n bytes from the input stream. Say, for example, I have given n as a parameter. So it skips that many number of bits in the stream is what you need to remember. So fine, moving forward, I have rest Is it rest? It is reset. So please listen carefully. So guys, it goes back to the beginning of the stream. If I use the reset method, it will go back to the beginning of the stream is what you need to remember. And the last method that I have is close, which will help me to close the input stream is what you need to understand here. This is the different methods which will help me to perform the different operations with respect to the input stream is what you need to understand. Moving forward to the next subclass of byte stream. What is that I have? Can anybody guess? Yes, of course, it's nothing but output stream. Guys, when it comes to the output stream, even in the output stream, okay, so what is that I have? So guys, it helps me to write the bytes, closing the stream and flushing the stream. So to perform all these operations, I have a different methods which I have listed here. So before that, let me tell you the hierarchy of output stream. So guys, here please treat output stream as a superclass. And under that, so we have different subclasses. What are the subclasses that we have? So file output stream, pipe output stream. So whatever we have discussed with the input stream, same thing with the output stream, that's it. So guys, and buffered output stream, filter output stream, and data output stream. And also we have pushback output stream, byte array output stream, and object output stream. All these things are the different classes that I have under the superclass that is going to be the output stream. Yes. So guys, what exactly the methods that I have, especially in the output stream? So that's what you need to understand. Before that, let me discuss this point to all of you. Guys, output stream classes are derived from the base class that's going to be the output stream. So treat this as a class. There is no space between the words is what you need to remember. Right? So that's one of the important points that you need to remember. So fine. Moving forward to understand the different methods that I have in the output stream. So that's a very important point that you should understand in this concept. So what is that I have? So I have the method in the output stream that is write byte, and also I have the same three parameters. So please observe, one is array, another one is two integer parameters. So fine, I will discuss that. And I have close and flush. Let's understand one by one now. So what is write method is doing here? So please listen to me carefully. Writes a byte to the output stream. Using the method write, I will be able to write the bytes to the output stream is what you need to understand. Moving forward to the same method with the parameter. So please observe what are the parameter that I have. I have one parameter of type byte array. So what exactly that I have here? Why should I have here? Please listen to me carefully. Writes all the bytes into the array to the output stream. So that's what you need to understand. My data is in the array. So whatever I have the data, I will be placing that into the output stream. So please remember that. Moving forward to the third method that I have. In that third method, I want all of you to please notice three parameters I have. One is array, another one is integer type n, another one is a variable of type int, that is m. Why do I have this? So please listen to me carefully. Writes m bytes from the array b starting from nth byte. That's what you need to understand. So that's why I have three parameters. Moving forward to the fourth one that I have. So I have close function, that is close method. So why do I have close method? Closes the output stream. The last one, flush, it flushes the output stream. So it cleans the output stream is what you need to remember. Whatever the data that I have, it flushes with the help of this method. So this completes the concept of what exactly that we have with respect to the byte stream. So guys, I think this is the last concept that we have for this session. So we have come to an end of the session. By saying this, don't miss the next session, which I will be discussing with respect to the next concept. That's going to be the character stream. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.